My dear friends, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are entering the third week of this month. We will again rock with our unbeatable trading strategy. Yes, as you know, I am talking about our mathematical formula trading strategy. This strategy is continuously giving us unbelievable performances. We are continuously going to work hard to develop its accuracy. As you know, its accuracy is already running at more than 95% success rate. Learning starts from then, when you start to note down each and everything about what you know, and what you will do, and what you think, each and everything, no matter what it is. And then the move comes when you will review that. The market always tries to play with traders' minds, and basically small traders have traps in this very fast. They react to the market too much emotionally. Now you don't need to worry about that. Learn with the Gold Trader Forex here and take the move of your life from here. Follow the rules only, no charts, no patterns, no indicators, only mathematics. Those who are trading using the mathematical formula prediction of trading, thanks to all for being a part of the Gold Trade Forex in Forex trading. Also don't forget to like, share, subscribe this video to your traders group friends. It's all about my mathematical formula trading strategy, which can help you and support you in life in your Forex trading journey. Stay tuned with the Gold Trader Forex YouTube channel for the 14th of October gold prediction on opening bell. Let's see what the mathematical formula strategy says. Good luck friend, we will trade the gold as per mathematical formula trading strategy. Keep learning and sharing this information. Keep forwarding. See you soon guys. For more information to connect with us, please check out the description box. Thank you traders.